Today we move for the illustrations. So illustration number 2.5. Here there are three questions. First one is to find out the potential energy of this Q1 and Q2 uh, point charges, and their R1 and R2 position vectors for both are, these are the position vectors. So first of all, you have to find out the distance between these Q1 and Q2, that is R12. So you can see it is R2 minus R1. So 9 comma 0 0 minus comma 0 0. So you can see it minus minus plus. So 18 comma 0 0. And when you are find out magnitude of this R12, you will find out this is centimeter. It is, sorry, this one is into centimeter is given. Now 18 centimeter, that means 0.18 meter. You got this value. Okay? And for this R1 is equal to 0.09 meter, same as R2 is equal to 0.09 meter, because when you are going to find out the magnitude, you have to write down in this way: minus 9 square plus 0 square plus 0 square. So for that R2 81 and it is 9 centimeters, so it convert into 9 meter. How did I get this value? You can understand by using this formula. This formula is in 11th standard 4th chapter. You have already learned that time, but I think you forgot it, so I have remembered it. Okay, so now U is equal to, you know that K Q1 Q2 upon R, K Q1 Q2 upon R. So 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q1 is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 6. And this one is minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 R. And it is 0.18 meter. So 9 2s are 18. So here I can write down this one 18 into 10 raised to minus 2. So I am writing down right now 18 into 10 raised to minus 2. 18 can be cut. So 7 into 10 raised to 9, 6 and 6 minus 12, and this plus 2 will come. So 7 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 0.7 joule. Your result U. So when these both charges are at this position vector, their potential energy is 0.7. But when these charges, your second question, your first question, when two charges taken distance, the change in potential energy, that is delta U is equal to U2 minus U1. So you can understand when they are at this position vector and that distance between those two are 0.18 meter. This is your U1. Here you can see that U1 is equal to 0.7 joule. But when they are far away from each other, infinite distance, so your here K, Q1, Q2, but this is your infinitive and it is 1 upon infinitive, that means 0. So U2 is equal to 0 and this is 0.7. So your result is equal to 0.7 joule. So delta U is equal to 0.7 joule. Then after you have to find out the total. Suppose you have electric field E is equal to A in bracket 1 upon R square. Electric field is present there. If electric field is present there, that means the formula will be changed for the potential energy. First of all, you have to find out. You have to apply the formula Q2 V1 plus Q1 V2 plus Q1 Q2 upon R12. Okay. You have to use this formula Q1 V1 Q2 V2 Q1 Q2 upon R12. A theory is already taught to you that if any electric field is present in the space and if two two charges are taken to different points, so the total potential energy, to find out, first of all I taught you that suppose electric field is here at this point, V1 is already there, because here at this point V1 potential difference is there, potential is there, and you are taking Q1 charge to this point from infinite distance. So first of all, work done W1 is equal to Q1 V1. Now at another point V2, potential is present, and when you are taking Q2 charge over there, it must be another work done Q2 V2. And now the system of these two potential, two charges, distance is R12. So the third one is Q1, Q2 and R12. So the total work done for this system of Q1 and Q2 charge is to be found by this formula. So now U is equal to, but for this formula, before using this formula, I have to find out V. V is equal to E into R. See, again see here, E is equal to KQ upon R square. So KQ upon R into 1 upon R. KQ upon R is equal to V and this R. So you can see that ER is equal to V. So if you don't understand how this formula came, so this is the method. So ER, E is equal to A in bracket 1 upon R square into R, RR cut. So your result is equal to A upon R. Now here again see that R1 is equal to 0.09 meter, R2 is equal to 0.09 meter, R12 is equal to 0.18 meter. I am leaving this one, U is equal to Q1 V1 plus Q2 V2 plus Q1 K Q1 Q2 upon R12. So put down the values, 7 into 10 raised to minus, now again Q1 into A upon R1 plus Q2A upon R2 plus K Q1 Q2 upon R12. It is also written into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and this one is 18 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So write down this one. Q1 is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 6. This one A is equal to here 9 into 10 raised to 5 upon R1 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus Q2 is equal to minus 2 into now this plus become minus 5 to 10 raised to 9 upon 9 into 10 raised to minus, this one is 9, sorry, plus K 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 9 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus K 9 into 10 raised to 9 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 into here plus then it will be minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 18 into 10 raised to minus 2. So now result 9 9 cut 9 9 cut 9 2 is 18 cut. So here 7 into minus will be plus 7 into 10 raised to 1 2 into 1 6 plus 5 plus 2 7 1 minus 7 into 9 plus 2 minus 1. So it is 70 minus 20 minus 0.7. So 70 minus 20.7 you will have 0.39 and 49.3 joule. This is your result.